many natural numbers? Now, this is the SSC question, sir. To all the students who asked me in the live chat, is it useful for SSC? This is the SSC question. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are divisible by? See the question. First, 2, 3 and 5. Second one, 2, 3 but not 5. 2, 3 but not 5. Third question, 2, 5 but not 3. 2, 5 but not 3. Fourth question, 3, 5 but not 2. 3, 5 but not 2. Fifth question, not divisible by. Listen carefully to every problem, that will give you a lot of idea. Not divisible by 2, 3, 5. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are divisible by 2, 3 and 5, 2, 3 but not 5, 2, 5 but not 3, 3, 5 but not 2, not divisible by 2, 3, 5. 360 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 360 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are 360. Now they are divisible. Out of every 360 numbers, for every 2 numbers, one number is divisible by 2. Out of every 3 consecutive numbers, one number is divisible by 5. Out of every 5 consecutive numbers, one number is divisible by 5. Question is divisible. 6 5s are 30, 30 12s are 360. Answer is 12 into 1 into 1 into 1, 12. Second one, divisible by 2, 3 but not 5. Out of 360 numbers, for every 2 numbers, one number is divisible by 2. Out of every 3 numbers, one number is divisible by 3, but not 5. Out of every 5 numbers, one number is divisible by 5. How many are not divisible by 5? 4. 6 5s are 30, 30 12s are 360, 4 12 4s are 48. Next one, answer is 48. 2, 5 but not 3. Out of 360 numbers, for every 2 numbers, one number is divisible by 2. Out of every 5 numbers, one number is divisible by 5, but not 3. Not 3 means for every 3 numbers, one is divisible by 3, 2 are not divisible by 3. 10 5s are 30, 30 12s are 12 2s are 24. This is another method. Another one, 3, 5 but not 2. Out of 360 numbers, for every 3, one number is divisible. For every 5, one number is divisible. For every 2, one number is not divisible. 30. Answer is 12. Not divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Out of 360, for every 2, one number is not divisible. For every 3, 2 numbers are not divisible. For every 5, 4 numbers are not divisible. 4 numbers are not divisible. 360 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into. You can do divisibility, you can do not divisibility by using this wonderful concept.